Think you know Canada? 40 questions ranging from easy to expert. Most people drop off at question 23. Let's begin. Which Canadian province touches the Pacific Ocean? Alberta, Ontario, or British Columbia? C. British Columbia. Is the capital city of Canada Toronto, Ottawa, or Montreal? B. Ottawa. Which province is most famous for maple syrup production? Alberta, Quebec, or Manitoba? It's B. Quebec. Look at the below image. In which province is it located? Ontario, British Columbia, or Alberta? A. Ontario. Canada has the world's longest coastline. False, only in the Arctic, or true? C. True. Stay confident. The easy questions are over. One below province borders Montana. Is it Alberta, Ontario, or Quebec? Choice A. Alberta. Which Canadian city sits farther north? Toronto, Vancouver, or Edmonton? C. Edmonton. Out of the three choices, which does not belong in Atlantic Canada? New Brunswick, Manitoba, or Nova Scotia? B is correct. Manitoba. Name the below territory that appears beside Alaska. Nunavut, Yukon, or Northwest Territories? B. Yukon. Can you guess the Canadian province that's larger than Texas? Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, or Newfoundland and Labrador? Answer C. Newfoundland and Labrador. Several U.S. states share a border with Ontario, two below. Do not. Which one does? Minnesota, Colorado, or Nevada? Minnesota. Vancouver sits closest to which U.S. city? Portland, Seattle, or San Francisco? B. Seattle. One of these Canadian cities is fake. Is it Halifax, Regina, or Port Winston? C. Port Winston. Look at the map and name the highlighted province. Is it New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, or Manitoba? It's B. Nova Scotia. Which Canadian city has the largest French-speaking population? Montreal, Calgary, or Winnipeg? A. Montreal. This national park is most associated with the Rocky Mountains. Is it Banff, Algonquin, or Gros Morne? A. Banff. Canada borders how many U.S. states? 11, 13, or 15? B. 13. Which body of water touches Manitoba? Hudson Bay, Lake Ontario, or Pacific Ocean? Guessed Hudson Bay. You are correct. Look at the image. Which prairie province? Is it Ontario, Yukon, or Saskatchewan? C. Saskatchewan. Which Canadian dish is traditionally made with fries, cheese curds, and gravy? Butter tart, poutine, or Nanaimo bar? A. Poutine. Looks yummy. The next questions separate memory from real geography knowledge. This body of water separates Canada from Greenland. Beaufort Sea, Baffin Bay, or Hudson Bay? B. Baffin Bay. Which province borders only one other province? Newfoundland, Manitoba, or Prince Edward Island? Choice C, Prince Edward Island. Toronto sits farther south than which U.S. city? Chicago, Detroit, or Seattle? B, Detroit. Look at the images and name the frozen territory. Northwest Territories, Yukon, or Nunavut? It's A, Northwest Territories. Which Canadian capital city sits closest to the Arctic Circle? Edmonton, Iqaluit, or Whitehorse? Whitehorse, choice A. Which ocean borders Nunavut? Atlantic, Pacific, or Arctic Ocean? C, Arctic Ocean. Nunavut officially became a territory in which year? 1987, 1999, or 2005? It's B, 1999. Which Canadian football team is based in Saskatchewan? Rough Riders, Maple Leafs, or Alouettes? A, Rough Riders. Look at the below images. Can you guess the lake? Lake Superior, Lake Erie, or Lake Ontario? Answer A, Lake Superior. Canada is larger than the United States in total area. True, false, or only by population? B, false. Which sea lies north of Yukon? Beaufort Sea, Bering Sea, or Labrador Sea? A, Beaufort Sea. Which Canadian city sits farthest west? Winnipeg, Calgary, or Ottawa? B is correct. Calgary. Which ocean borders Nova Scotia? Pacific, Arctic, or Atlantic Ocean? C, Atlantic Ocean. Look at the images. Which geographic region is it part of? Atlantic, Central, or Northern Canada? C, Northern Canada. Canada contains more than how many lakes? 2 million, 500,000, or 200,000? Wow, 2 million is correct. Almost nobody finishes this round perfectly. Which Canadian territory is the largest by land area? Yukon, Nunavut, or Northwest Territories? B, Nunavut. Which geographic region covers most of central Alberta? Canadian prairies, Arctic tundra, or Appalachian region? A, Canadian prairies. Which province sits east of Quebec? Manitoba, Ontario, or New Brunswick? It's C, New Brunswick. Look at the images. Which island province appears? Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland and Labrador, or Nova Scotia? A, Prince Edward Island. Which Canadian province is known as the land of 10,000 lakes? Alberta, Manitoba, or Quebec? B, Manitoba. Bonus question. Which seafood is especially famous in Canada's Atlantic provinces? Drop your guess in the comments, and if you survive the expert round, subscribe for more geography challenges.